Hello guys, welcome back to another video. DJI has launched the latest DJI Fly app version, that is 1.4.2. So in this video we will be checking what is the difference between 1.4.0 that we were using so far. I literally don't think there is any difference in this version, because the primary focus of this latest release was for Air 2s. So at the end we will also be checking whether 15-meter hack that we were using with the DH companion is working on this latest release or not. So as you can see on the screen, the app version that I am using now is 1.4.2. In transmission tab, I have observed that before I used to get minus 98 dB signal. Now it's quite better than before, that is minus 94. I don't know whether it's because of the upgrade or it's because of the less interference that I'm getting right now.
In the camera session, nothing has been changed, everything is same. In the control session as well, everything is same. There is no change between older release and the newer updated one. And one thing to note, for iOS device we used to get a button where we can enable the phone charging or we can disable the phone charging. For Android it was removed in 1.4.0, but for iOS it's removed now in this release. From the overall view, they have not changed any interface of this application. So everything, that slider, shutter speed slider, ISO slider, white balance, as well as the map, the signal that we used to get, everything is same. I could not find any single difference in this interface. And even checking about the quick shots and video mode, photo mode, everything is same. Nothing has been changed in this latest upgrade. So now let's quickly check whether DH companion hack is working on this version as well. So let's quickly open the drone hack software. We'll just detach the cable and attach it again, as we used to do the process before. I'll be doing it in the same way. Now I will click on 500 meters height, and let's switch back to the DJI Fly application. I have detached the cable and attaching it again. Oh, that's cool. For this 1.4.2 also 15-meter hack is working with the help of DH companion.
Take off.
I have also tested the older method that we used to follow.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
We used to use drone hacks software and do the hack process. So without any worries, that hack is also working. So I am not adding that in this video because I don't want to make this video very lengthy. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you have found this video informative. If you found this video informative, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.